In this video, we'll explore how to relist multiple unsuccessful listings in AuctionWorx. This feature is designed to save sellers time and effort when their listings end without a sale. There are situations where listings may end without being sold, perhaps due to lack of buyer interest or other reasons. Instead of recreating each listing from scratch, AuctionWorx offers a convenient option to relist them quickly. Let's see how a seller can easily relist these unsuccessful listings. As a seller, navigate to the Unsuccessful page under the Listings section. Here, you'll find a list of all the listings that closed without a buyer. You can select specific listings by checking the boxes next to them, or you can use the header checkbox to select all listings at once. Once you have selected the listings you want to relist, click on the Relist button at the top of the grid. As you can see, the listings are relisted successfully, retaining all the original listing details but removing any previous bids. You can verify the relist items by visiting the Browse page on the public site. This is how you can easily relist multiple unsuccessful listings, saving sellers valuable time and ensuring their products get another chance to be sold. Thank you for watching.